Rahul was ambitious and driven. He poured all his energy into his career. Promotions, projects, and meetings filled his days and nights, leaving him little room for anything else. His aged parents needed more attention, but they often took a backseat in his busy life. Rahul's mother, Shalini, had always been the heart of their home. Her warm meals and gentle care were constants in their lives. But as time went on, her health began to deteriorate. Rahul was wrapped up in his work. He failed to notice the subtle signs until one fateful day when Shalini suffered a severe stroke. The news hit Rahul like a freight train. He rushed to the hospital with a whirlwind of emotions in his mind. Amidst the fear and concern for his mother's health, a selfish thought crept in. Who would cook for him now? And he watched his mother lying helpless in the hospital bed, guilt mingled with his worries. Shalini's recovery was slow and she required constant care. Rahul, his father, and his sister Priya faced the daunting task of caring for her. Determined to keep his life as undisturbed as possible, Rahul hired two nurses to look after his mother. Yet none of them stayed long. Shalini's needs were too demanding and the emotional burden was heavy. Rahul's nights became fragmented, filled with the sound of his mother's calls. He would groggily wake up to help her to the toilet, his frustration mounting with each passing day. But amidst the exhaustion, something began to change. The time spent together, even in such dire circumstances, started to forge a bond between Rahul, his father, and Priya that had long been neglected. Gradually, Rahul's perspective shifted. He realized that his career, as important as it was, could not overshadow the responsibilities he had towards his family. He saw his mother's vulnerability, his father's silent strength, and his sister's unwavering support. The suffering and the daily struggles taught him a profound lesson. No one can truly live without serving someone. Whether serving a boss at work, a spouse at home, or a beloved pet, service is an integral part of life. But the first and foremost service should be to one's family, especially the elderly who have spent their lives caring for others. Rahul understood that caring for his mother was not a burden, but a loving service. With time, Shalini's condition stabilized, though she never fully regained her former strength. Rahul continued to juggle his career and his newfound responsibilities at home. The bond with his family grew stronger, and he discovered a deeper sense of fulfillment in the simple acts of care and kindness. In the end, Rahul's life changed forever. He learned that true success is not measured by professional achievements alone, but by the love and care we give to those who need us most. Serving his family became his primary goal, and he cherished the moments spent with his mother, father, and sister, knowing that these were the ties that truly mattered.